performance, you're going to draw a cute toucan.
Yeah, and we hope you have your art supplies ready and you're going to follow along with us. What's her name?
Carrot.
Yeah, I love Carrot.
Yes, she loves carrots.
She loves carrots. And her beak kind of looks like one.
Oh, yeah.
We're using our markers to draw and color with, but
You can use whatever you have.
yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw Carrot's eye, and I'm gonna draw it over here to the right, just a bit, so that we have room for his or her beak. Is it a boy or girl?
A girl.
A girl. Okay. Carrot is a girl. We're gonna draw an oval or a circle shape. I'm gonna kind of draw an oval shape. There we go. Kind of a circle. Then we're gonna draw the highlight inside, or a small circle on the top, and then color in the big part, but leave the little circle white. Then let's draw the big beak. Is that what made you think of Carrot?
Yes.
As the beak?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We're gonna draw the side of the beak right here, coming into the head. And we can draw it kind of big. And you have a lot more room, so you could even draw the beak coming out further. But we're gonna draw the top of the beak, curving out, around, and down. Then we're gonna draw the bottom of the beak. So here, I'm gonna draw just a short little S curve going up, but then back down, and then connect into the bottom of that first curve that we drew. Yes, and then we can also make Carrot happy. We're gonna start here, and we're gonna draw another S curve. We'll curve up, and then kind of down just a little bit, and then we're gonna draw a smile inside. Their beak mouth goes all the way to the end, but because we're drawing a cartoon, we can just end it there. Okay, now we can draw the end. Right here is black. We're gonna draw a little curve there, and then we can color that in. Now let's draw the top of the head. We'll start here, and we're gonna curve over and down. And you could draw it kind of closer to the eye since you're close to the side of the paper, so you have more room. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, then we can draw the belly. I'm gonna start underneath the beak, and we're gonna draw it curving this way, and then we can stop there, right underneath the eye. Now let's draw the feathers down here at the bottom. We're gonna draw for the start of the leg. I'm gonna draw 3 little letter U's connected, and then we can draw the foot. We're gonna draw curving out and then back in. Then we can draw another toe right next to it. And then we're gonna curve up and then back into the feathers. Yes, okay, now the other foot. We're gonna draw a couple more bumps, just like we did for this one. Then we're gonna draw the toe curving out, and the other toe next to it, and then connect it. Okay, and then the rest of the body, right here, we're gonna, oh yeah, the little curve back here for the rest of the foot. I like that.
Yeah.
Good job, I almost forgot. Then we can draw the rest of the body curving past the leg. And then the back, let's draw it curving down here and almost connecting, but we're gonna draw the tail. Okay, now for the tail, we'll draw diagonal line. Then we'll curve in for one feather. And then another feather. And then one more feather into the body. It's a little tail. All right, what are we missing?
His wings.
Yeah, wing. Or
her wings.
Yeah, her wings. Okay, we're gonna draw an upside down letter U. Then we're gonna curve down here further, and we can add feathers. So here's one feather. Then let's draw another feather. I came down a little further too. And then one more feather touching the back, and then almost like we're gonna connect to the other side, but I'm gonna leave a space there. Okay, let's add a few more details. Right here, let's add a couple feathers on the back of the head. Then we can also draw this little pattern that we're going to color in. We're going to draw curving around the eye, go over the shoulder like this, and then start coming down. And then we're going to draw one little bump and then another bump. This is for the belly or the chest. And then we're going to come down and keep connecting to the other side. So a couple more feather shapes and then connect to the chest. And we did it. We finished drawing Carrot. She looks really cute, except you need eyelashes.
Oh, yeah, we forgot eyelashes.
Yeah, I'm going to add eyelashes too. 1, 2, and 3. You could leave the eyelashes off if you want. But what do we still need to do?
Color her.
Yes, this part we'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video and color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring Carrot, and she turned out super cute.
Yeah, I like how she looks all colored in. And we also added a carrot.
Yeah, now she likes carrots, doesn't she?
Yeah, she likes watching them grow.
You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring, or color your drawings differently.
You could also finish your drawing by adding a background.
Yeah, that would be really cool. And more carrots.
Yes. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Carrot with us.
We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.